Hello everyone, myself Raj Bajati and today I am going to speak on the topic Earth magnetism and my branch is electrical engineering. First of all, what is the topic? Earth phenomena. Explain some Earth phenomena. Now we shall try to explain some observable event on the Earth's surface from an understanding of an Earth interior. We would like to emphasize, however, that the scientists did not necessarily arrive at an explanation in the same manner. In fact, they used the knowledge gained from studies of these phenomena to build a model of an Earth structure. Earth magnetism. What is Earth magnetism? As early as 2600 BC, that the Chinese knew that a certain kind of rock, when shaped into a rod and allowed to turn freely, pointed in north-south direction. Ancient Greek discovered a certain mineral they named magnetic could attract iron. In 1100 AD, the freely turning magnet had become a standard navigation, and in 1400 AD, Caesar knew that the needle-shaped magnet, now called as compass, it sometimes pointed a little to the east or little to the west. At any location, the Earth's magnetic field can be represented by the three-dimensional vectors. A typical procedure of measuring its direction is to use the compass to determine the direction of magnetic north. The angle relative to true north is declination d or variation. Facing magnetic north, the angle field makes with the horizontal is inclination or magnetic dip. Characteristics of Earth magnetism. First, intensity. Second, inclination. Third, declination. Intensity. The intensity of field is often measured in Gauss, G, but is generally represented in a Netoless NT with 1G equal to 1 lakh NT. A nanotesla is also referred to be a gamma. The Earth field range between the approximately 25,000 and 65,000 nanotesla. Between approximately 25,000 to 65,000 nanotesla. By comparison, a strong refrigerator magnet has a field about 10 lakhs nanoteslas 100 G, that is 100 G. Inclination. The inclination is given by an angle that can assume value between 90 degree up to 90 degree down in a northern hemisphere. The field downwards, the point downwards, it is a straight down at the north magnetic pole and rotates upward as the latitude decreases until its horizontal is zero at a 0 degree. Declination. The declination is a positive for eastward deviation of a field relative to true north. It can be estimated by comparing the magnetic north-south heading on a compass with the direction of celestial pole. Map typically include information on a declination has an angle or a small diagram showing in the relationship between the magnetic north and true north. Biomagnetism. Animals, including birds and turtles, can be detect the Earth's magnetic field and use the field to navigate during migration. Some researchers have found that cows and wild deer tend to align their bodies north-south while relaxing, but not when the animal are under high voltage power lines, suggesting that the magnetism is responsible. Liebert experiment. Who is William Liebert? Dr. William Liebert was born in 24 May 1544 and he was a physician known for the study of magnetism. Liebert experiment. In 1600, William Liebert published a book entitled The Magnet, wherein he explained the behavior of a magnetic rock. He proposed the Earth itself was a huge spherical magnet with its pole situated almost at the geographic pole. Liebert discovered that when a compass is held over the different point of spherical magnet, it behaves in about the same way as it does when it is held at a different part of the Earth. Thus, he concluded that Earth is a magnet. This picture shows that the computer simulation of a Earth field in a normal period between the reversal, the tube that represent the magnetic lines that are blue when a field point towards the center and they are yellow and when away when they are in yellow. The rotation axis of Earth is central and vertical. This is a picture of magnetic declination. This varies at a different place on the Earth. This is a picture of a dipping compass, instrument dipping compass. This is a picture of magnetic inclination. Now magnetic field. What is magnetic field? A magnetic field is a mathematical description of a magnetic influence of electric current and magnetic materials. The magnetic field at any given point is specified by both a direction and a magnitude. As such, it is a vector field. The magnetic field is commonly defined in terms of Coulomb force. It exerts on moving electric charges. Permanent magnetic theory. Permanent magnet theory. The simplest theory on the origin of the Earth magnetism is that the center of the Earth is one huge permanent magnet made of iron and nickel. Earth's core consists mainly of these two mainly materials. This theory seems acceptable at first. Laboratory studies shown that the iron loses its magnetism at 770 degrees Celsius and nickel at 358 degrees Celsius. Thank you.